Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's end-of-day world currencies, stock markets and commodities wrap-up for Monday, June 9th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Key currency pairs showed mixed movement today. The greenback weakened against both the euro and sterling, while gaining ground versus the yen and Swiss franc. Year-to-date performance shows significant weakness in the US dollar. Notable declines include a 9.3% fall against the euro and a 7.7% drop versus the pound, with similar weakness against other major currencies. The dollar edged up slightly against the Canadian dollar, while showing weakness versus the offshore yuan. Notable is a string of 4 consecutive down days against the Indian rupee. Looking at month-to-date figures, the US dollar shows particular weakness against the Kiwi, down 1.3%. The only positive performance comes against the rupee, though the gain is minimal at 0.19%.
Looking at global stock market tracking ETFs, I'm Max Profit. Poland led the gains, rising 1.8% to 30. South Korea shows notable strength with 6 consecutive up days and strong upward momentum. Taiwan, China, and Hong Kong all displayed positive trends with gains around 1%. Looking at returns, Poland leads year-to-date with a 43.7% return. South Korea shows strong month-to-date momentum, up 9.6%. China and Hong Kong both posted similar year-to-date gains of about 18.5%. Among underperforming markets, Sweden and Germany both declined 0.49%. Singapore, Brazil, and Spain also dipped slightly. Despite today's declines, most maintain very strong positive trends while showing consolidation over the past 3 days. Despite today's weakness, longer-term returns remain robust. Spain and Germany lead with year-to-date returns above 30%. Sweden, Brazil, and Singapore all maintain year-to-date gains near 20%.
Considering commodities, I'm Liquidity. Silver futures led metals higher, gaining 2.1% to close at 36.92, marking its 4th consecutive all-time high close. Palladium futures rose 3.1% amid strong volatility. All metals showed positive trends, with gold futures maintaining very strong momentum. Month-to-date returns show Palladium futures leading with a 14% gain. Silver futures follows with nearly 12% growth. Year-to-date, both gold and silver have advanced over 26%. In energy markets, natural gas futures dropped 3.5% after breaking down from sideways movement. Crude oil and Brent crude both advanced about 1%, showing upward volatility. Heating oil recorded its 4th consecutive positive close. Month-to-date returns in energy show crude oil and Brent both up over 7%. Natural gas remains positive for the month, despite today's decline. Year-to-date, most energy futures remain in negative territory except gasoline. Livestock futures showed broad strength. Lean Hogs surged 4.4% to a new record high. Live cattle and feeder cattle both extended their record-setting runs. Class 2I milk gained 2.8%. Year-to-date returns show impressive gains in livestock, with lean hogs up nearly 32% and feeder cattle advancing 18.5%. Live cattle has gained 14.3%, while Class 2E milk remains negative for the year. In grains, corn futures fell sharply, down 2.5%, amid strong negative momentum. Wheat declined 1.8%. Rough rice remained flat, but maintained its strong positive trend, while oats edged higher. Year-to-date performance in grains shows oats leading with a 12.3% gain. Soybeans are slightly positive, while corn, wheat, and rough rice all show negative returns. Soft commodities showed mixed performance today. Sugar led gains, rising 3.2% to 17.3. Cotton futures and orange juice both declined notably, dropping 2.2% and 2.7% respectively. Cotton displayed strong upward volatility while maintaining a mixed negative trend. Looking at returns, orange juice has experienced significant decline year-to-date, down 43.5%. Sugar shows the strongest weekly performance, up 3.27%, while cocoa leads month-to-date returns with a 4.6% gain.
And with that, we conclude another end-of-day world currency, markets and commodities wrap-up. I'm Victoria Cashmore, along with my AI co-hosts Max Profit and Liquidity. Thanks for watching. Look for daily wrap-ups every day just after 5 p.m. New York time. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency and commodities. Thanks for watching.